Okay. Alright. This was a good project. Felt really good. I'm gonna do this again real soon. Hi, thanks for joining me on this beach cleanup. The wind was very strong. This was recorded directly off my phone, so there's no chance you're going to be able to hear me. But was looking forward to this beach cleanup, and I'm about to get started. So this is a full bag of trash nearly. I gotta carry all the way back. But, ooh boy, look at this beach. Clean as a whistle. Ignore that piece of dirty, what I may think is toilet paper. It's just paper and it'll dissolve. I'm not gonna risk my health for that. Anything else you see on the ground are shells, stones, anything else, but man. Geez, so much better. The hills had a bunch of trash in it. Looks great. Now that's leaving something better than when you arrived. That felt good. All right, till the next time. Okay, so basically put all the trash on the back of my yak. Yakety yak.